Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Vivo V23. Start by opening Play Store on both devices and installing free app called Send Anywhere. I already started because it takes a lot of time to download. Then we can finally open it and do exactly the same. So I accept, confirm, continue and allow on Vivo, and I accept, confirm, continue and allow on an Android. Following that, you need to select receive on Vivo and send on an Android. Then tap on all of those dots and select send. This way you will select all of those and transfer them later on. It will take some time, so I will go with only one photo, for example that one. Just send and click on got it. Over here on Vivo, choose no thanks, click on close this window, and as you can see, we have two connection ways. We can scan this QR code by tapping on the scanning icon on Vivo, choosing while using the app or only this time, and pointing our camera at the code. But we can also input this key over here and choose receive. Now, after a couple of seconds, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!